fourth-generation Kia Carnival will receive a facelift this year, and with the midlife update, the minivan's range will reportedly see the addition of a hybrid variant. The new Kia Carnival Hybrid has a fair chance of sailing to the US, where competitors are available with hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. The new Kia Carnival, including the first-ever Kia Carnival Hybrid, will feature considerable visual changes on the outside. According to an exclusive report Today released on May 25, 2023, the minivan's headlamps, radiator grille, and front bumper will have modifications. Our rendering takes on an inspired look with its upright front end, including a taller radiator grille and vertical headlamps. The new upper grille has a more sophisticated appearance, too, with crisscross vertical inserts. The XL-size LED DRLs would ensure that people recognize the new minivan even from a good distance. A refreshed bumper and rounds up the new look at the front. According to the Today report, the refreshed Kia Carnival will undergo some changes on the interior compared to the outgoing model. Its instrument cluster, door decor elements, speaker grille, and center console